Hey everyone, welcome back to Future Concept Cars. Today we've got something exciting. Hyundai has just unveiled the all-new 2025 Palisade, and trust me, this SUV is a game changer. Bigger, bolder, and packed with futuristic tech, it's setting a new standard for modern family SUVs. Right off the bat, Hyundai has gone all in with its new design. The 2025 Palisade is now longer, wider, and taller, measuring 5,060 inch in length with an extended 2,970-inch wheelbase. That means more space, more comfort, and an even stronger road presence. The front grille? Massive. The LED headlights? Sharper than ever. And those bold lines? Pure SUV dominance. Step inside, and the first thing you'll notice is the massive curved display seamlessly merging the digital instrument cluster and the infotainment system. Hyundai has even redesigned the gear selector, now controlled by a steering column mount lever, freeing up space on the floating center console. And let's talk about comfort. Top trims now offer individual captain's chairs with built-in massage functions. But here's the real surprise. Hyundai is introducing a 9-seater version for the first time, with a transformable front row center armrest that turns into an extra seat. Perfect for big families or those who just love extra space. Under the hood, Hyundai is making some big changes. Gone is the old V6 now, we get a 2.5-liter turbocharged engine pushing 281 horsepower. But the real highlight? A hybrid version producing a combined 334 horsepower and offering an impressive range of up to 1,020 kilometers. That means power, efficiency, and fewer stops at the pump. This is Hyundai's boldest Palisade yet, and we want to hear from you. Would you pick the hybrid or the turbo model? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're loving this deep dive into future cars, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. We've got more exciting car reveals coming your way. In South Korea, the gasoline model starts at around $40,000, while the hybrid begins at approximately $45,000. Expect it to hit global markets in early 2025. So what do you think? Is the 2025 Hyundai Palisade the ultimate family SUV? Let us know in the comments. And as always, thanks for watching Future Concept Cars. See you in the next one.